Let's start with me Mondays. This is Ice Spice talking with a straight face on. This should be a Monday face, but not today. I'm working from home. Hey, I hope you guys are safe. It's monsoon season. Stay safe. But this is ready now. I'm here. Let's go. Okay, there are so many things that I woke up to this week. Mr. Beast wanting to run for president, Ben Affleck's affliction with both of his Jennifers, and of course some new Kendrick and Drake news. But these are the top 3 stories of the day. Well, the entire India woke up to this is Justin Bieber performing at the Sangeet of Anant Ambani and Radhika Merchant. Well, Justin Bieber clearly had a fun time. Look at the entire Instagram profile of his. He had a besties hangout moment with Anand Ambani and the gang. Well, Audi and she, Troublemaker, certainly lived their high school dreams by performing with him. Well, yeah, right now, currently, every Indian believer is just going like,
Come on, to be just to be like, anything's possible.
okay, well, but what took the cake for me was the fits. Like, I dig some of the fits. Shia Pirelli's first ever custom sari by Isha Ambani at the Sangeet ceremony. Mother, quite literally also. Deepika Padukone wore this Turani purple moment. Oh my god, really love that sari, and especially with that baby bump. And of course, Radhika Merchant, who everybody is talking about for the after party especially, she wore this amazing chainmail grey black sari, which was amazing. Let's move on to something finally that has settled the scores. No, I'm not talking about Kendrick and Drake. I'm talking about Billie Eilish and Taylor Swift. At least a part of the debate is come to a conclusion because everybody keeps talking about how they both shouldn't be compared because Billie Eilish is quite new age and Taylor Swift has this vast discography and so and so. Really this with over 15 albums with versions and remixes and of course numerous singles, and as opposed to 3 studio albums and some hit singles by Billie Eilish, Billie surpassed Taylor Swift in the most amount of monthly listeners on Spotify as a female. Okay, she's now number 1. Of course, topping the charts is The Weeknd with number 1 on Spotify, and then the girlies are taking over Billie Eilish and Taylor Swift. Wait, I have no problem with Taylor Swift, but the only thing is that where is the adulthood? Where is the pain? Where is the reality? You know, where is the trauma? Where is the dark truth? It's like pre-adulthood musically portrayed by an adult, Taylor Swift, and post-adulthood portrayed by somebody who's barely an adult, 22. That's barely legal drinking age in India. Okay, I gotta go calm down, listen to some Billie Eilish maybe. Okay, moving on to the last and final celebrative news. Our Barbie is now a baby mama. Talking about Margot Robbie, who was papped with her husband Tom recently, and they're finally having their first child. Imagine going to school and being like, yeah, my mom's a Barbie. Like the Barbie. Okay, well, that's it for today, and stay safe, like, share, comment, subscribe. But hey, stay for me recommends. I would only like to recommend one show, Indian show on Amazon Prime. That is Mirzapur Season 3, a sequel. It is absolutely fantastic. Okay, going back to my horrible lessons. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and check the bell icon. Bye.
94.3 Radio 1.